Our today's topics are cost price, selling price, profit, loss, and some examples on profit and loss. Let's understand this with the help of an example. There was a shopkeeper named Suhail. The name of his shop was SS Grocery Store. In the same town, there was another shopkeeper named Raju. The name of his grocery store was RR Grocery Store. They both used to buy the items for their shop from supermarkets. One day, Suhail went to the supermarket one and bought 50 kgs of rice for rupees 1000, as well as Raju went to the supermarket too and bought 50 kgs of sugar for rupees 1000. The price at which they bought the sugar and rice is known as cost price. Suhail started selling his 50 kgs of rice at his SS grocery store, as well as Raju started selling his 50 kgs of sugar at his RR grocery store. After a month, they both calculated and found that Suhail sold all of his rice for rupees 1500, as well as Raju sold all of his sugar for rupees 800. The price at which they sold the sugar and rice is known as selling price. Now let's understand something about profit. Profit is the amount that a person earns from his business or any other transaction. Loss. Loss is the amount that a person loses in his business or any other transaction. To check whether the business is having profit or loss, we have to see its cost price and selling price. If the cost price is less than selling price, that is CP is less than SP, then there will always be profit. And if cost price is greater than selling price, that is CP is greater than SP, there will always be loss. Now let's see the case of Suhail and Raju. Let's check whether they have the profit or loss. In case of Suhail, CP is equals to 1000 and SP is equals to 1500. Here CP is less than SP, so Suhail had profit. To calculate profit, the formula is SP minus CP. Here in case of Suhail, SP minus CP will give us 1500 minus 1000, that is 500. So Suhail had profit of rupees 500. In case of Raju, cost price is equals to 1000 and selling price is equals to 800. Here CP is greater than SP, so Raju had loss. To calculate loss, the formula is CP minus SP. Here in case of Raju, putting CP minus SP will give us 1000 minus 800, that is 200. So Raju had a loss of rupees 200. Let's solve an example from your book. A shopkeeper sold a treadmill for rupees 8000. If the CP was rupees 8900, find his profit or loss. So here cost price is equals to 8900, selling price is equals to 8000. Here CP is greater than SP, thus it is a loss. The loss is equals to CP minus SP. So 8900 minus 8000 will give us 900. So the shopkeeper had loss of rupees 900. Let's solve another example from a book only. Mr. Sonu bought a juicer worth rupees 4565 and sold it for rupees 5000. Find his profit or loss. Here cost price is 4565 and selling price is 5000. As we can see, SP is greater than CP, thus it's a profit. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Putting the values, we will get 435. So Mr. Sonu had profit of rupees 435.